Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Imam Uncle Samir here. Listen, I was a blue collar worker almost all my life. I did drywall construction. I ran different jobs, drywall at the Pentagon after 9/11. Worked for some companies many times. Much of my life, I worked for myself, struggling, trying to make the business work. But always, I kept a side hustle. I always had something legal on the side that was halal for me to try to make some extra money. Usually a network marketing company or selling some type of product or service, because I always looked for that. My story is that when I was a youngster, my older brother took me out when I was 10 years old, taught me how to shine shoes, then bought the supplies with the money we made that day, gave me the box and said, you got to spend something to make something. Since that time, I've been making my own money. I was not in your shoes. I didn't get a college scholarship. I didn't have parents taking care of me. I didn't go to my mother, who was a single mom with 5 kids, asking for money so I could go to the movies and do the things I wanted to do. Saturdays, I went out and hustled me some money legally, shining shoes, raking leaves, shoveling snow, doing all that stuff. Many of you don't know anything about that, but that was my life. I worked for companies. I had a job, but I never had a job mentality to make that my goal. I never wanted to be working for somebody. I did it because that's what I needed to do at the time. When I couldn't have my own business, I worked on a job for somebody else. But I always was trying to start something else halal on the side. Despite all the years that I worked teaching youth, running youth camps and other programs, teaching youth and new Muslims, the time that I spend, I always wanted some halal business to be able to support that. Now, by Allah's grace and mercy, I found the way online to be able to make. You want to be able to make $100 over and over again? You want to be able to make money while you're in school or while you're working on the job that you have? You are Gen Z or millennials, you should be making money from something online. And now online you can do that. Allah showed me, and because my people are the Muslim youth and the reverts, so now I got to show you. Because you need to be married, you need to take care of things. You don't need to be depending and waiting to get something from daddy. You don't have to wait 4, 5, 6, 7 years finishing college, knowing that you have personal issues and need to be married and not on that page and feel like there's nothing that you can do. All right? Let me show you what you can do. Allah showed me a blueprint. You spend 2 hours a day and can make more money than maybe your daddy makes. Okay? Take the opportunity. Don't keep being poor. You know what poor is? People passing over opportunities repeatedly. Stop being poor. This is an opportunity for you. Halal opportunity. Like I said, you can start out with $100 and get more knowledge and information than what you're probably getting in school. You can start making money more than what you would get when you first start working, getting out of school. Don't keep being poor. What is poor? Passing over opportunities repeatedly. Don't let this opportunity pass. This is a halal venture. Subscribe to my channel. Hit me up. Put a comment in the box. Put a comment. Let me know what you think of what I have told you. Engage me so we can get you, so you can understand what you need to do next. Because I guarantee you wearing a pair of sneakers or shoes that cost more than $100. And most likely your earpods and most definitely your phone costs more than $100. So don't tell me you ain't got $100 to invest in what could potentially bring you a residual income. Residual income. Hit me up. This is Imam Uncle Samir. Assalamu alaikum.